students. In this video we will discuss about the electrophilic substitution reactions in aromatic aldehydes and ketones. So the aromatic aldehydes and ketones, they are written as it is. Here benzene ring and this is CHO. And then here again this benzene ring, then C double bond O, and this is R. Okay, R may be aliphatic or aromatic. So these two are the aliphatic aromatic aldehydes and ketones. So because of this carbon atom and this CHO group or CO group, this is the electron withdrawing group, and because of that here ortho position and the para positions, these are deactivated. Okay, and as these are the deactivated, here beta position means as a result here on the nitration or electrophilic substitution of aromatic aldehydes and ketone, here meta products are obtained. Means here meta substituted aldehydes or ketones, they are prefers or they are obtained as a major product. Okay, and because of here aldehyde and ketonic group. Okay, so the nitration, sulfonation and halogenation of aromatic aldehydes and ketones, they are included in the electrophilic substitution reaction. Okay, so we are going to study here the nitration of aromatic aldehyde. Okay, and as we know that here a nitration is carried out in presence of concentrated nitric acid and sulfuric acid, that is called as aquaregia. Okay, 3:1 nitric acid, concentrated nitric acid, and 1 that is sulfuric acid. Okay, so the nitration of this aldehyde to form, this is benzaldehyde. Okay, benzaldehyde plus nitration HONO2, here concentrate, this is nitric acid, and for our convenience it can be written as HONO2. Okay, in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid. Now because of the ortho and para directing groups, they are deactivated. Here from meta position H combined with OH, here minus H2, and NO2 combined here to form here meta nitrobenzaldehyde. Meta nitrobenzaldehyde. In this way, after sulfonation, here meta benzaldehyde sulfonic acid or that sulfonate group present on the meta position. Then on chlorination or bromination, it gives the meta halobenzaldehyde, that is meta chlorobenzaldehyde or meta bromobenzaldehyde. Okay, so after this, here we have to discuss acidic character of carboxylic acid. Now the acidic characters of carboxylic acid, as we know that here carboxylic acid, it can be written as RC double bond OO, here negative. Okay, if it is the carboxylate ion, means carboxylic acid is RCOOH. If it is lost one proton, then it gives RCOO negative. Okay, and this is the carboxylate ion. So according to Arrhenius theory, the substance or compound which donate or which produce H positive ion in its aqueous solution, they are called as the acids. Okay, so here as usual this RCOOH, it possesses this H, means H on COOH, carboxylic acid, and on dissociation it produces this H positive ion, and as it produces H positive ion, or according to Lorry-Bronsted theory, in aqueous as well as non-aqueous state, it produces H positive ion, it acts as a acid. Okay, now this RCOO negative, it acts as a conjugated base of the given acid. Okay, so here this carboxylate ion, it can be written as Rc double bond O and this O negative. If this pair of electron come here and here negative charge, then it gets converted into Rc. This is negative and this is double bond O. Both are the equivalent. Okay, means this is A structure and this is B structure. Both are equivalent structure. And the resonance structure of this carbonate, this R, here O, and this pi electron, it gets moved from this oxygen to this oxygen, and we stabilize the carboxylate ion. As it stabilizes the carboxylate ion, it acts as an acid. Okay. Now we consider here this R. Means this R, it is the chain of carbon atom, or these are the alkyl group. And if these alkyl group containing any halogen atoms, halogen atom, that is electron withdrawing atoms or electronegative atom of an element. So here if it is the X, then here CH2 or R, then C, here O and O. Okay, because of this minus I effect of this atom of an element, which is the electronegative atom of an element. Electronegative atom of an element काय दाखवतात? तर because they are the electron withdrawing elements, they shows the minus I effect. And because of this minus I effect, this is the more stabilized conjugated base. म्हणजे हा मोर स्टॅबिलाइट कॉन्जुगेटेड बेस आहे. आपण शिकत काय आहोत तर ऍसिडिक कॅरेक्टर ऑफ कार्बोक्सिलिक ऍसिड. आणि इथे मी काय म्हटलेलं आहे, कॉन्जुगेटेड बेस. का कॉन्जुगेटेड बेस म्हटलं? कारण आपण आयोनिक इक्विलिब्रियामध्ये शिकलोय. आरेनियस थेरी, नंतर कुठली थेरी शिकली आपण? लॉरी ब्रॉन्स्टेड थेरी. इन लॉरी ब्रॉन्स्टेड थेरी, व्हेन ऍसिड डोनेट्स और प्रोड्यूस प्रोटॉन or it donates proton, then the residual part it acts as a conjugated base. And in the same way, here in the carboxylic acid, when proton donates by this carboxylic acid and to form this RCOO negative, and this RCOO negative, it is the carboxylate ion and it acts as a conjugated base. Now come to this point here, when this carboxylate ion here alkyl group, and from alkyl group any one hydrogen atom or two hydrogen atom or more than one hydrogen atom gets replaced by electronegative atom of an element, just like Cn, NO2, OH or a halogen atom. If this electronegative atom of an element or electron withdrawing groups are present on this alkyl group, then because of minus I effect, it is the more stabilized. And it is because of this is more stabilized, here its acidity increases. Its acidity increases. And pKa value, it goes on decreases. हे लक्षात ठेवायचं आहे नीट पॉइंट साठी. म्हणजे फ्रॉम द नीट पॉइंट ऑफ व्ह्यू असे क्वेश्चन्स तिथे जास्त विचारले जाते. क्वेश्चन्स कसे विचारले जातील तर इन द फॉलोइंग मॉलिक्युल्स in the rate of acidity or acidity increases or decreases in the order, and orders are given or logical expressions are given. ओके, फक्त इथे एकच पॉइंट लक्षात ठेवायचं आहे आपल्याला की जर इलेक्ट्रोनिगेटिव्ह ऍटम ऑफ एन एलिमेंट कार्बोक्सिलिक आयन मधल्या अल्किल ग्रुपवर प्रेझेंट असेल तर ऍसिडिक कॅरेक्टर इन्क्रीज होते आणि पीकेए व्हॅल्यू डिक्रीज होते. Okay, this is the all about the acidic characters of carboxylic acid, which is aliphatic. Then acidic character of aromatic. So here aromatic acids means benzoic acid. Here benzoic acid. Okay, this is the aromatic acid, benzoic acid, and because of this alternate double bond, this benzene has more stability than alkyl group, as well as here because of delocalization of 6 pi electron, this alternate double bond and here COOH. Okay, So this is the monosubstituted benzoic acid or monosubstituted benzene. Okay. Now here in electron withdrawing group, just like NO2 or Cl, Br, I, Cn, this electron withdrawing group present on the benzene ring, then the acidity of benzoic acid increases. For example, here if 3 molecules are there, here benzoic acid, here NO2 and here NO2, means ortho and para position NO2. So here 2,4 dinitrobenzene. Okay. Then here next one, that is only orthonitrobenzene, benzoic acid, not benzene, benzoic acid. This is orthonitrobenzoic acid or 2-nitrobenzoic acid, and this is only benzoic acid. Here this is A, B and C. The acidity is A is greater than B is greater than C. And next one logical expression is here second one B is greater than A is greater than C. Then third one C is greater than B is greater than A. And then fourth one, that is C is greater than A is greater than B. And the most correct answer is this, because more is the electron withdrawing group present on the benzene ring, more is the acidity, less is the pKa value, and because of that here 2,4-dinitrobenzoic acid is more acidic than here 2-nitrobenzoic acid, and which is more acidic than only benzoic acid. If there is a third one, means this benzoic acid, here NO2, here again NO2 and here NO2, means 2,4,6 trinitrobenzoic acid, which is more acidic than these three. Okay, so these are the acidic characters of carboxylic acid in aromatic as well as in aliphatic. So after watching this video, attempt the following question. First one, what is action of HNO3 concentrate on benzaldehyde? Benzaldehyde. Second one, aromatic aldehyde and ketones on halogenation prefer meta substituted products. Meta substituted products. Explain why. Explain why. Then third, 2,4,6 trinitrobenzoic acid is more acidic than benzoic acid. Again, explain why.